A very good morning to you. I'm Sabah Kazi and time to get you the latest from the world of showbiz. Business ventures are keeping Shilpa Shetty busy and trust her to hard sell her fashion statement, but never once letting motherhood take a backseat. Here's presenting the businesswoman and the hands-on mommy, Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra.
On me. You can focus. You should feel comfortable.
You've got to try a pair of jeans. I said I've never wore a pair, so just try it.
Please focus on the jeans. See this.
I love jeans.
When you open Raj's wardrobe, 70 jeans that are all blue. I'm the poor or the middle class Victoria Beckham.
The entrepreneurs in the house, people, and don't ask her to go easy on all that enthusiasm.
I feel very happy. Please focus on the jeans. See this. See this. So your blood circulation's not stopped, and you can actually do a squat. Alright? And guess what? They're breathable. So, can you see that? And they're jeans. So, I mean, forget, I'm not trying to promote the jeans. I'm trying to say, I feel very proud that I'm doing jeans that are very fashion oriented, but are very, very comfortable.
Also your patent leopard print, I see the shoes there, lovely shoes.
Your cameraman's having a field day. Yeah, so I just think that, you know, I want to be comfortable. I always tell my husband I'm the poor or the middle class Victoria Beckham. So I want to be a designer and a brand, but I want to cater to people who I want to break the whole myth of designer clothes are expensive.
Everybody has crazy jean stories, college days, and you know, anything specific to you.
To me, do you know what's so funny? I didn't get into a pair of jeans till I was probably 13. I used to wear chinos, shorts, and sort of tracksuit bottoms.
Seriously, were you a plum kid?
Yeah, a little bit. Thanks. Yeah, seriously, you didn't know this. So I went to my cousin's shop in Newcastle once, and he was selling jeans. He said, "You've got to try a pair of jeans." I said, "I've never wore a pair." He said, "Just try it." And I think from that day till now, jeans is the only thing I sort of live in, other than my suits.
When you open Raj's wardrobe, there's some 70 jeans that are all blue. they're dark blue, they're light.
But the doting wife and the hands-on mother have no trouble catching up.
I love to cook.
What do you love cooking the most?
Chicken pulao.
She used to cook for me once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon. Yeah, I cook for my son though.
Okay.
Yeah, so pasta.
What does he like?
He likes spaghetti with meatballs. Yeah, so I try to make it with chicken or lamb, and he loves that. He loves teppanyaki. He's only 3. I think he's just amused with the whole with the chef going like that, and he's like fireball and like.
I love cooking. Yeah, I enjoy cooking. I love eating. I'm a foodie. I'm a Punjabi, and her diets can be a little bit difficult on me. So we have Sunday cheat day where I just eat and eat.
His Sunday is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday it's double cheat day.
Well, if that's what's on offer, wouldn't we just love keeping up with the Kundras? Griha in Delhi for Times Now.